Okay, this is a new project. This wall, this header, this top around, probably that wall where it says number 4. So I have to smooth it out the wall because it's got texture on it, each of them, and then put the primer, and then hang the wallpaper the same day. 8:30 at this point, Monday morning, March the 2nd. Let's do it. Now I'm on the deck. When it's done, let it dry with my fan. Alright. Okay. Everything is drying at this point. Not too bad. There's drying. Let's wait almost 10. By 11 o'clock it should be dry. And then I'm going to put a size of adhesive instead of primer, so I can get this thing better, a lot better. Addition. Okay, already sent these walls down, send it down with a wet sponge, so I don't want to create powder or dust. So, and then what I do next is put a size of adhesive on the walls where I'm going to put my paper. Use the primer, which sizing the walls works the same as the primer, because I'm going to seal the walls. That's what I want to do. And then when I put my paper, it's going to be sealed very well. Okay, almost there. It's almost 1 o'clock. It's been done. It's the beginning. Now I have to finish this part. But if I have enough paper, this wall goes too. So, okay, this is how everything ends up. Header, wall, and the shower. And of course, the sink. Good deal. Super. 215.